So, Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Ishaq Hossain Dipra, student from English Language Center, Bangladesh, here with a really interesting topic and quite an important one. So, let's address it. We are going to talk about emotional intelligence. What is emotional intelligence? The intelligence that we require to express ourselves, know our emotions, and how others feel about us. So, let's talk about it. When we are born, we are a child. A child feels only three emotions: sorrow when they are hungry, sleepy when they want to cry, and also when they laugh, they think of something that activates the neurons that makes them laugh. But think about the current stage of life, where we are right now. We are at the age of teenagers, where we express ourselves in numerous ways. We get mad, and sometimes we are extremely happy. We have mood swings. So why does this happen? Because we are unable to control our emotions. So does that mean we cannot control our emotions? Of course not. All of us are able to control our emotions. When we were a child, we weren't able to control our emotions, so we cried every time we wanted to feel something or we wanted something from our parents. Now we ask them and we know what we want. That is self-awareness, a crucial part of emotional intelligence. So what other parts of emotional intelligence do we lack? We want to have self-regulations where we understand how we feel and what we want to express to others. And motivation. When we are motivated to do something and why we are motivated to do that thing. That is a key part in what we desire and what we want to do in our future. Then there is the part where we have to think and do it and communicate with others, creating cooperation with all our peers. This is the social skills part. These were some of the crucial parts that we need in EQ. So, in conclusion, whenever you feel sad, whenever you feel stressed, when you are frustrated, don't think you are alone. We all face the similar emotions. So when you do feel such strong emotion, ask yourself this: why am I feeling such a way, and what should I do to make it better? When you ask yourself this, you are not only getting smarter, but you are also getting stronger too. Thank you.